Hi, today, I will discuss getting a free government phone from Sky Devices. Sky Devices is a company that provides free government phones to eligible individuals. To qualify for a free government phone from Sky Devices, you must meet certain income requirements. You can find more information about the income requirements on Sky Devices' website. If you are eligible for a free government phone from Sky Devices, you can apply online or over the phone. The application process is simple and only takes a few minutes to complete. Once you have applied for a free government phone from Sky Devices, you will be contacted by a representative from the company. The representative will verify your eligibility and help you choose the right phone. Sky Devices offers a variety of free government phones, including smartphones and basic phones. You can choose the phone that best meets your needs. Once you have chosen a phone, Sky Devices will ship it to you for free. You will also receive a free SIM card and monthly service plan. So, there you have it. That's how to get a free government phone from Sky Devices. If you are eligible, I encourage you to apply. A free phone can be a great way to stay connected with your loved ones and access important information and services. Thanks for watching.